back to our channel. So today I'm going to be testing out magic slime. So this slime is kind of like a rainbow, except it has a lot of glitter. So without further ado, let's get making some slime. Wait, but before we make some slime, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Okay, now let's make some slime. So first you want to pour your glitter glue into a bowl. I'm going to start with pink. So now you want to take your baking soda and just add a pinch of this, very small amount, and take it and then stir it into your slime mixture. Once that's done, you want to take your contact solution and you just want to add about a tablespoon of this, but up to you using 4 tablespoons at a time. So I'm just going to go ahead and eyeball this step. Usually I eyeball this step. And then you just want to take your you just want to take the solution and start mixing, and you can see it that it's coming right together. And you just want to keep adding this till your slime becomes not sticky. So once your slime is this consistency and it's really nice and it doesn't stick to your hands, you want to leave this in an airtight container and wait for you to finish making your other slimes, and then at the end you can put them all together to make this magical unicorn poop like slime. So without further ado, I'm going to do some ASMR for you guys. So now you want to make all of your other slimes, depending on how many colors you have, and at the end you want to mix them all together, and I will show a video of me doing at the end. So now I'm just going to be making all the slimes that I have my colors for, and then I'll be back.
It's showtime, showtime, showtime. Guess who's back again? Oh, they don't know. Oh, they don't know. I bet they know as soon as we walk in. Showed up. I'm wearing Cuban links, designer mix, Inglewood's finest shoes. Don't look too hard, might hurt yourself. Known to give the color red the blues. Kill 'em. I'm a dangerous man with some money in my pocket. Keep up. So many pretty girls around me and they're waking up the rocket. Keep up. Why you mad? Fix your face. Ain't my fault they all be jacking. Keep up. Players only. Come on, put your pinky rings up to the moon. Girls, what y'all trying to do? 24 karat magic in the air.
So once you're done with all your slimes, you want to take them each out of their containers. I didn't have a container for the purple because I did that one last. And you want to still keep them separate and then mix them all in at the very end. So what I'm doing here is just taking out all my slimes. So here, let me move it so you guys can see. So yeah, so what you're going to do is you want to take them in whatever order you want. So I'm going to start with my red and go till I get to my pink. Do blue, purple, pink, and it looks exactly like a rainbow. Okay. So guys, this looks exactly like unicorn poop. It's amazing. So I'm gonna do some ASMR of the slime now. So that was it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to slam that like button, comment down below, and of course subscribe. And if you're looking to see the final result of this slime, it actually turned out purple. Oh, and before I leave this video, don't forget to follow our Instagram, and the link will be down below. See you in our next video. Bye!